my hand.
You're an amateur.
Ow.
Pop, pop.
I'm going to go meet with her because she promised that we would go somewhere to sightsee some stuff.
Come on.
So I found her and now we're about to go to this location. Let's see where she's going to take me.
I know spots.
You know a spot?
I know spots.
You should know a few spots.
I know a lot of spots.
Is this what you meant when you said you know a place? Supermarket? Are you? So this is what we came to buy because there's gonna be a party later and she doesn't want to go empty-handed. I told her get VSOP.
Too expensive.
Henny. That's all you know, mom. Probably got me out of school, but.
Hey boy. Oh no. Hey boy. Go, go, go!
Mountain over there.
Look at the lake frozen.
Oh, frozen. Whoa, no, that's a view, shawty.
You have the right, lady. You have the right.
She had the right to go right, no? Oh, shoot. I thought it was ice. I thought it was frozen.
Told ya.
It's not frozen.
You're not listening, boy.
Not because of the rain.
Hey, boy.
Bro, it's so cold now and windy. No?
The wind is making it feel cold.
It's so cold and because we're next to the lake. It's frozen, but I'm gonna go on it. I don't care what she says. I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit, yeah? Risk it for the biscuit, you call
You
bravery.
know how to swim?
What is that? I'll dive my way back to shore, yeah?
You know how to fish?
Fish?
Swimmers.
Swimmers. Hey boy! Hey boy! Oh, see? The devil has a strong way of making when you're idle, the devil put things in your way to mesh things up. Yeah, oh, what if a shark? Huh? Oh! Oh!
Whoa!
I'm scared.
No.
What if it just like, ugly
Just stay next.
Bro, it's fully frozen, man.
Stay close to the thing and stand up, and I'll take a picture. No, stay by the edge so you can grab onto the thing.
Video?
Yeah, I'm just gonna take a picture like you're standing on the lake. I'm not gonna let them see this. That way.
You're videoing?
Yeah, I'm videoing, but I'm gonna take a picture too. Just stand up, stand up.
This from this way, so you can see that back.
Okay. Yeah, video. Okay.
If I fall in this, is done. I'm on the edge right here, but shit. If I fall in this, is done.
Okay, Hodge. I'm scared.
I'm You see, my hands are so cold. Imagine falling in there. Jeez.
You good?
It's cold on my fingers. Look at that. You ever seen a black man red? Put my hands in my pants.
Man.
Let my little chopper. Chopper or that. I wanted to go and ride and climb the mountain, but she was scared that I'll slip, fall, and die.
Who goes climbing in winter?
Me, dog. I'm from the jungle, remember? So she's cold. She doesn't want to come out of the car. Come on, take care. Come on, take care. Nice. It's beautiful. Oh, it's so close. We can get there. Ow.
Pop, 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 pop.
3 days of wanting to come to see this waterfall.
The weather's been bad.
Up
So we
and down
couldn't,
weather, so
yeah.
we couldn't. Mini waterfall.
It's big.
It's mini.
Big.
Mini.
Big.
You guys can actually hear the sound if you listen closely. Where is it?
Right this way.
Where?
Right this way.
Oh, the rain is coming down. Oh, geez. I have a little bridge right here. Oh, I thought the water would be frozen or something. Yeah, nice little bridge. Oh, so we came here in the summer. I wonder how cold it is right now. Should I test it?
Yeah.
Oh, here we got a different view. This side we have like if I slip, it's done. Take my hand. Okay, so now, if it wasn't so slippery on the roads, we would probably drive to some other places, but it's kind of risky. Jump, Vicky. Jump over. Hungry, haven't eaten all day. Hey, hey. You want water? You want? So, at this place called Just Wing It.
Just winging it.
Just winging it. Let's see if it's
Just
good.
a call.
I'm definitely getting honey barbecue. What are you getting? What are you getting? What's this?
I don't know.
Getting? So we chose a seat to get a good view of the outside. And we got
Wings.
Wington Clan, and I got honey barbecue. I think this is honey barbecue.
No, this
Wington.
one. The other one.
This is honey barbecue.
Yeah.
That is weird.
Ready?
Let's go. It's crispy and dusted. Now I'm going to test hers. Got Doritos on top of it. Oh, this one's good. But this one tastes more like barbecue.
Barbecue not mine. This is barbecue too. We got both.
Now we're getting ready to go sledding. I see you got a Tim's on, shorty. You think you're hot shit now? I hope you're sliding.
Don't break your bones. Just jump on it.
All right, going to a new location. What? Steep hill. Okay. Watch out. What is? Watch ya! Watch ya! Uras! Run fast.
And jump on your knees.
On my knees, okay.
You're an amateur. Bruh, Mojo.
You're a pro, you do this. This is not your first. Woo! Alright, go. More speed!
Should I push you?
Is the flash on?
Yeah.
Why isn't it so bright? Watch ya!